Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin right away by powering the QC35 off and clearing a flat workspace. This prevents accidental damage. Next, hold the ear cup steady and use your thumb to peel the outer lip of the pad. Work around the circumference slowly so clips release evenly. If a clip sticks, use a small flat tool to ease it free. This minimizes stress on the mounting ring. Once the pad detaches, set it aside and inspect the plastic ring for broken tabs before fitting the new pad. Now you'll align the replacement pad so its inner lip matches the ear cup's groove and the plastic tabs. Alignment matters for buttons and mic access. Start pressing the pad into the groove at the point opposite the headband hinge because that gives you room to work around. Move clockwise, using firm, even pressure to snap each segment into place. Listen for subtle clicks. If a section resists, back off and reseat the adjacent area. Forcing one tab can break the plastic ring. Finish by running your fingers around the cup, pressing any loose bits until every clip sits flush. That ensures a proper acoustic seal. Once done, power the headphones on and play audio at low volume. Check for odd noises, uneven bass, and active noise cancellation response. Make a quick call to verify the mic. If you hear rattles or poor ANC, remove and reseat the pad, checking each tab. Often a single unseated clip causes seal problems, so correct that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.